Alright, this is the recap for the 2017 Allen and Ginter. At the end of the video, I realized I had not opened the oversized box loader. So we're going to go ahead and open that first before we go back through the hits. And it looks like we got a Gary Sanchez. A Gary Sanchez, not numbered. I don't know if these all look like that, where they're in black and white, but cool card. Alright, so now the hits. We got a Jackie Bradley Jr., the Jamison Talon, and then the framed mini, Nolan Arenado. In the video, the mini was crooked, but it does move in there, so I got it to look correct. So anyways, that was the hits, and also the box loader. I also found out that the short prints start at 301 and go to 350. I had multiple short prints in the pack, or in the box. Turner, Moore, Pomeranz, Dickerson, Raines, Bagwell, Shipley, Mancini, rookie, I believe, yep. Jansen, McCann, and Voigt. There were a bunch of, not a bunch, but 4 rediscovered tops. Nothing to really see. Quite a few minis. Nothing fantastic. Black border, Mayor Garrett. And also Sanchez. And then there were 2 short prints, Crawford and Vogelbach of the minis. Got quite a few What a Day. Some fishing equipment. Some battle cards. And also World's Fair cards. So that was it. Again, it was $115 is what I paid for this box. Lots of short prints, lots of minis. The hits, not good. So you can make up your mind if you want to go and purchase this. I won't be buying another box of this. We'll try probably something else. Maybe I'll get Topps Chrome or the Stadium Club. I've heard the Stadium Club's kind of weak this year as well, so I'm kind of bummed out with the options out there. It's getting to be close to football season, so we might jump into some more football. So thank you for watching. Hope you have a good rest of the day.